this panda bear on a parcel shelf is kind of cute, but it was yeah, very distracting because we were moving left to right and I thought something was overtaking me, but it was just a panda bear. Yeah, Impreza Blobeye with some max speed tuning, so 300-ish, 320 horsepower.
Yeah,
about that. It is on Cup 2 tires. It has Cusco suspension, which was quite soft and therefore rubbing, and quite some old gearbox with crunchy gears and slow synchros. And the brake pads, blue stuff, okay-ish, but the pedal was getting quite soft towards the middle of the lap. So yeah, you have some things to work on.
Yeah, maybe change the brake fluids and everything.
Yeah, definitely. And also, this is bending quite a lot.
It's not really the original one. It's after
a replica. Okay.
Because the original was.
Yeah. Watch out that this doesn't brake on high speeds.
Yeah. Until now, by 260 goes floppy, but it still stands. So.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a bit sunny. Anyway, enjoy the lap. Right, made it to the track after a typical evening traffic jam and a couple of issues with the GoPro, so hopefully everything now records. I think it's the very first time I'm driving a Blobeye. I might be wrong. Well, let's see. Oh, the gearbox is quite old and slow. The synchros are worn out because it doesn't really go in the gear. So then, fifth crunchy. Yeah, that's gonna be quite interesting. These brakes are somewhat okay. Scraping. That's unfortunate. There's a panda bear moving around on the back. And shift. Cup 2's still a bit cold, so take it easy, but the scraping is really unfortunate. Supra, is that a Supra? It is a Supra. Oh, he heard it. Poor fenders. The problem of like having to wait so long until the car goes in gear, you cannot really put the car in gear mid-corner upshift because then the car is unloaded and you really do not want to do that. Scope is not liking all the air, it seems, because it's vibrating. I hope it can withstand I'm not gonna upshift because by the time I'm able to put the car in gear, I will have to go already on the brakes. Some Schirmer modified car, M2, judging by the WRX license plate, unless it's a meme. Hello? Can we like go in gear? Sorry, E36, I have here some issues. Really apologize. Yeah, it's kinda sad. I was told not to go in gear too fast, but there's no way I can go fast in the gear because of the gearbox, the synchros. Woohoo! Non-existing. Oh, it's by the gear. course, the pedal is getting very soft. We have that issue as well. Nice. On that course, after finishing, they told us you can go free driving, and on the second lap of the free driving post course, my third gear disappeared. Gearbox exploded, third gear went missing in action. So that's my story with Subaru gearboxes and Subaru ownership. I mean, after that, I built the car to be a private like monster. Four scrapes with 705 horsepower and 864 newton meters of torque. I have to slow down quite a lot with the brakes. Oh man. The brakes are getting soft, it scrapes everywhere. What's the oil temperature like? Let me pass this car. Is that a real Alpina? It's getting to 107 degrees or so, so nothing too bad, but by the way, last night of the shooting of this video, so today is the 1st of August, so yesterday's Stratton became a dad, so that's really cool. But I was like distracted by it because this panda bear is flying from right to left on the parcel shelf in the back, and it looked like someone tried to overtake me, but it was just a panda bear. Line it vibrating on the back is somewhat concerning. Yeah. The gearbox ruined all the fun. Like, really, because yeah, you couldn't. I don't. Can we like not occupy the middle of the road? Yeah, because it's an integral part of the lap. And then if you need to like wait literally a second, or maybe even more, until you can put it in gear, then it's yeah, it's ruining all the fun. Soft brake pedal didn't give much trust either, so yeah, it was not a good Friday evening run, I would say. Sad. And the rubbing as well. But temperature management is good, because I don't know if this is the oil temp or the water temp here, because it says 90. Yeah, I'm pretty certain it's the water temp, because oil temp should be a bit higher after pushing on the track. So, but yeah, no idea.